Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer, the owner of Simply Watercolor Co. Today I am going to be sharing with you our mystery kit reveal. If you hear any noises going on in the background, we have some printing going on. If you are not familiar with our mysteries, we do them every single month. We actually took a break in December, but we just listed our newest mystery for this month, so go check it out. This was our Valentine's and this was our spring. So let's get into the Valentine's. So honestly, even though it's Valentine's, you can kind of use it anytime because it is kind of like a science of love themed kit. It's more science based, which I absolutely adore how this came out. We pretty much did most of the elements in here, and I love the colorway because it's so different. It just screams very science to me. If science was like a colorway, this is science but kind of girly. And then you can also pick which kit you would like, and that also dictates what extras you get. So first of all, this is our normal vertical kit. We just started offering functional kits. Our functional kits are not foiled. So we have our standard vertical kit, and then we have our Hobonichi. So we have 3 different types of vertical kits. The first one is the ultimate, so you get all of these pages. If you like having a lot of stickers, this is for you. And then this is our deluxe kit. So you have these 4 sheets. And then our mini kit is with 3 pages. We're trying to shy away from the mini kit actually though. So we might not be offering the 3-page kit anymore. Let me know what you guys think about that. There is a reason for it. It is always harder doing like an odd number of kits. Like when we mass produce them, it's always harder doing like a kit that's 3 pages instead of 4. So this is the Hobonichi A5, A6 kit. We don't do Hobonichi Weeks kits, but there is a possibility they do come to the shop later on. These fit in the Kazan and then the A6 Tacho or Taco, however way you say it. We do not have an example of the functional kit because we just started offering that in our mystery this month, so I will share with you guys that in the next video. But we do have an example of what a functional kit looks like. So the ultimate functional kit has 6 pages. Got your full boxes, some boxes. Actually have a super cute Totoro sheet that would look really cute on top of these. This sheet of like glitter headers and functional items, and then these 2 sheets have a ton of labels. We have rounded and squared rectangle labels, and here we have more functional items. So like I said, this kit is more for functional planning, but of course planning with stickers is always decorative at its core. You got some deco, and then you got a journaling sampler, so you have more to work with, and then you have mini deco. This whole shebang comes with the deluxe and ultimate kit only. So you got your large deco, you have your journaling kit, which is 2 pages. A lot more items to work with. You can create like a whole other journaling spread with them. And then of course you got the deco, the mini deco, and then you get these extras as well. These are little like swatches, a floral trim, and then some mini florals as well. That was the Science of Love mystery kit. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Oh my gosh, it's seriously just one of my favorites. We have Hello Bloom. Okay, so I'm not going to explain everything again. I'm just gonna go and share with you what the stickers look like. So you got your vertical kit. This kit was foiled in rose gold, and the Science of Love was in gold, if you couldn't tell. I'm going to start adding in the names of our kits actually to the sheets. I thought this kit came out so beautiful. I love all the butterflies especially, and it's such a beautiful like spring kit. So pretty. So that is Hello Bloom vertical, and then we got our Hobonichi. So this is what this looks like. You have your large deco. I love how big this is too. You can use it to decorate like a cover page really easily. And then you got your journaling kit, your journaling sampler, your deco, other smaller extras. So we got our floral trim, and I think this came out so cute with the butterflies, and then the watercolor splashes, the floral, and then our mini deco. So that is Hello Bloom. Let me know which kit you like better. I know it's tough to choose, but I'm curious. Let me know. Our next mystery just went live on sale, so make sure to check that out. March and April out, and March is strawberry themed, so we're gonna have really pretty greens, reds, and blues? No, pinks, not blues, pinks. And then our April kit is like a rain cloud theme, so it's gonna be adorable. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what this kit looks like with a little bit of it down. And I had some sheets left over that were slightly oops from foiling, so I thought I would just take it myself. Whenever I like use something for my own planner, it's something that had an oops in it. Because if it's like perfect, I'd rather sell it and like, you know what I mean? Kind of like, I remember watching the show where son of a couple who owned a fruit stand, and he would always have to eat the fruit that were bruised and sell like the perfect ones to customers, so he never got to experience like really great fruit because they would always sell it. Very similar to kind of like as a sticker shop owner, anytime there is a mistake, I just end up keeping it. Put some florals in here. I actually really do want to plan with that Totoro kit that I shared with you. The functional kit. I've never done a plan with me using a functional kit before, and I think it will be a lot of fun. So I think I want to do that. These are not oops, and it's gonna pain me to use them, but I feel like I have to, you know. You know. Yeah. I'm gonna have to use these. Oh well. This is so pretty though, this floral scheme. It's just so beautiful. I think I want to pull it down first. Back in the days, I used to plan my planner like, and I used to have like 10 different mog planners because I just loved playing around with stickers, and then I kind of, I don't know, lost sight of that, and it's just been a while since I just played around with stickers for fun. And had like a lot of joy come from that. It can be difficult sometimes marrying it being work and it being something that you genuinely enjoy doing. It can be a little bit hard. I want to do a mixture of videos of like functional planning and more decorative. The spread I'm doing right now is definitely set up to be more decorative. Like too many planners, you guys. I'm trying, I have a work planner, and then I have like, my Hobonichi. I only repurchased my cousin because I have so many sheets left in my techo from like last year that I don't think I need to repurchase. We also have scallop headers. These are really cute. I think I want to put these here. Okay, I'm gonna lay my headers down. It's only been 1 week since I have been back from Cancun, and it feels like so much longer. Like so much longer. But anyways, I just did my headers. I'm gonna go finish this off camera because it's gonna take me like 10 years to do it. But I wanted to just give you an idea of what the stickers will look like laid down. So adorable, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I will catch you next time. Bye everybody!